In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Microsoft Copilot app or remove it from your device if you no longer need it. We'll start with the basics of using Copilot, and then I'll walk you through how to delete it on a phone or a Windows computer. This is a simple process, and once you know where everything is, it becomes very easy to manage. First, open the Copilot app on your mobile phone or computer. Once the app is open, look at the top of the screen and tap the Sign In button. Sign in with your Microsoft account so you can access all of the available features. Logging in is important because it gives you the full experience and allows the app to work properly across supported devices. After you're signed in, go to the text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type your question or request. You can keep it simple or be more specific depending on the kind of help you want. Clear prompts usually lead to more useful answers, so it helps to describe exactly what you need. If you'd rather not type, you also have other options. Tap the microphone icon to speak your question out loud, which can be faster and more convenient. You can also tap the camera icon to upload a photo and ask questions about it. This is helpful if you want Copilot to look at an image and respond based on what it sees. Once your question is ready, press the Send button to view your answer. If you need more detail, feel free to ask follow-up questions. That's one of the most useful parts of the app since you can continue the conversation and get more specific information without starting over. If you decide you no longer want the app on your phone, the removal process is straightforward. On an iPhone or Android phone, press and hold the Copilot icon on your home screen. On an iPhone, tap Delete App. On an Android phone, tap Uninstall. Then confirm your choice to remove it from your device. If you want to delete Copilot from a Windows computer, open your Start menu and select Settings. From there, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Copilot, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Follow the confirmation prompts to complete the removal. That's everything you need to know about using or deleting Copilot. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you have any questions.